feel like I'm losing my mind.
So you want to drive a forklift for a living, all right?
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Hello, Skunk Works. Have you seen the inside of a elevator? There's the pulley. There's the cylinder, what we call the jack. Piston is in the middle. Like to point it out right there, that's the piston. That's the jack. The jack. See the elevator goes in there? That's what we make here. And then it goes up to the floor. There's your sensors. Your sensors. And they tell it to open up the door. And they need to get in and out of the elevator. Alright. See down there, they're making new platforms, which is basically the platform that you ride in. Alright, here we are. He's welding up a platform, and after he tacked it in, now he's doing the solid full welding to support all the struts in there, which those are called channels. And you can see how he's welding all of them together so they're all nice and secure. This is done after we're tack welding. And you can see it's suspended by the hoist above the crane right there. And this is how we make our platforms. So this is how we do it. Hey, welcome to Skunk Works. Here we are set up again to do the nibbling. Nibble from here all the way to there. Let me know in the comments if you want to see this again. This is from the Piranha Ironworker. Piranha. So let me know if you want to see it in operation. If not, I will not show a video. This is a P50, 50 tons.
You're gonna put a shop or what?
Huh?
You're gonna put a shop?
A shop. three of them. See how you do it. Well, first who does it? Hey, what are we doing here? There's a bunch of hole there. Piranha. That's how you do it. That's it. Hey, welcome to Skunk Works. So, I hope you're having a good year. This is Skunk Work here, wishing you all a good and happy Christmas. And if you're coming on hard times, subscribe to the Skunk Work, write a comment, and maybe I have to help you out. Alright, so let's help each other out. I could use more subscribers, and if you need some Christmas joy, drop me a line. Alright, if I don't know who you are, how can you get help? You gotta help yourself. Alright, so enjoy what you have, hope for what you need, and work hard. Alright, have a good one from Skunk Works. Remember, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.